Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on this low-cost cell phone service that you can get with no credit check. So if you're trying to maintain your credit or you have trouble credit, you can obtain this service and save some money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Have you ever thought to yourself, why in the world is my wireless phone bill so high? Well, let me tell you about Mint Mobile, who I'm partnering with for this video today. Now, you might already know about Mint Mobile if you saw those funny ads by Ryan Reynolds, which is the owner of Mint Mobile. But let me quickly tell you how awesome their service is.
There, it's Ryan Reynolds, owner of Mint Mobile. Enticing, right?
Now, Mint Mobile offers premium wireless service for as low as $15 a month, and you don't have to sacrifice coverage, speed, or data. They're built on the nation's largest 5G service, and they keep their costs low because they sell direct to you online. They cut out the retail stores and salespeople. Why should you pay more to have access to the same network? Click the link in my description or scan the QR code if you're interested in the best value in wireless. All Mint Mobile plans include nationwide, unlimited talk, text, plus lightning fast 5G and free mobile hotspot. Mint Mobile also offer modern family plans that will allow you to set up a super affordable family plan with as little as 2 lines. My experience with Mint Mobile is when I watch YouTube or listen to podcasts, I had the same speed and performance as my other network. Now, with switching to Mint Mobile is easy thanks to their digital eSIM cards. You can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your own home. If your phone isn't a SIM card compatible phone, Mint Mobile will send you a new SIM card for free. It only takes 15 minutes to switch, and Mint Mobile has great customer service if you need help. And now, as a special unlimited time offer, you can get an unlimited plan, which is normally $30 a month for just $15 a month. And that's a 50% savings off of their super low price. It only takes 15 minutes and pay as low as $15 a month on your phone plan. And it's really that simple. Now, all you have to do to sign up, or if you want to check it out, is hit the link in the description of my video, or you can use the QR code in order to check out Mint Mobile. Now, if you're already a customer, do me a favor and drop some comments in the comment section to let me know what your feedback is on your service. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section or contact me at my website. And I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.